Hello friends, welcome back to Asian Blogger. So guys, in this video I am going to show you few things about YouTube. So there are 6 points that I would like to introduce to you. First one, how to start a YouTube channel, and second thing, how to create a video for YouTube, and third one, how to edit videos for YouTube. Fourth one, how to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Fifth one, how to add videos on YouTube. Sixth one, how to become famous on YouTube. So these 6 things I am going to teach you today. And dear friends, this is my first video that I am going to making on English language. So if you found any mistakes on my words, or if you found any grammar mistakes on my words, please forgive me. Thank you. So let's start here. So I know still many people don't know how to start a YouTube channel, and how to create a video, how to edit videos, how to create thumbnail, and how to become famous on YouTube. Because I know nowadays many people's newcomers are came to YouTube, and many people started YouTube channels, and uh, their videos are going to viral, and they are become famous. Many people become famous, and so many things happening and around our world. So still many people would like to come to YouTube again, and so many people still don't know how to do these things. That's why I thought that just make a video. Maybe I can make this video on my mother tongue, which is called Malayalam. But I thought if I made these videos on my mother tongue, maybe this will understand few peoples only. But if I made these videos on English, it's going to be helpful for many people from different countries, not only in India. I'm an Indian, but I believe it's gonna helpful to many people from many countries. So that's why. So still, again, I am saying that if you found any mistakes on my language, please forgive. So let's start here. So first thing, how to start a YouTube channel. So for that, we are going to Google. So this is Google. I used Google Chrome application. So then we will go to YouTube application. Actually I have a shortcut here. Maybe in, I don't know, maybe in your tab is going to be there or not, but it's fine. You can search here on the top. You can search YouTube. Then you can see right side, on the top side, sign in, right? So just click there. Then maybe it can be show like this, because I have also many IDs are there, so it will be showing like this. But I need to show you how to create the new account, right? So use another account, and here also you will see something, but do not worry, just there is one option, create account. So click that. Then they will ask you for myself or to manage my business. So we need to choose for myself. So guys, the window will be like this. Then you have to provide your name to create the new account. So I'm going to provide a simple name. I have already YouTube account, but this one I am just creating to let you know how to make it. Okay, then here, if you have already email address, you can just provide it here, and also you can provide the password here. But if it is a new account, if you don't have a Gmail or something, if you don't have it, then you can go to create a new Gmail address. Just click it here. Then you can write, it must be small letters. Okay, then Asian, I just choose this name, Asian Blogger 2020. Okay, then password, you can use a new password for that. Then you have to click next. There will be a message for you, so save the password or never, it's up to you. I'm going to save it. Then you have to provide your mobile number because you will receive a code. You need to provide the code here, then only you can complete this process. So right now I'm in India, so I have to provide my number. Then you have to provide another email address. It's just for your security, because if you forget or if you lost this account, you can get back this through another email address. So you have to provide this here. So I'm going to use this. I have another email address, so then you have to provide month, day, year. It's about your birthday, so just provide this here. And so after that you have to choose there and then click next. Then now you're going to receive a 6-digit verification code. Okay, so click the send button. Now I will receive a verification code into my mobile phone. Oh, I already received it here, so I'm gonna write it down there. So it is 801 795. Okay, so then click verify. Then is Amin. Yeah, so I think it's complete. Yeah, there will be some privacy and times, so you have to click I agree. Then it's gonna be completed. Yeah, now this is my new YouTube channel. Okay, I mean this is my new account, so you can check there is a symbol A because I didn't provide it any logo or any profile picture, so that's why it's showing my first letter of my channel name. You know that my channel name is Asian Blogger Rejas, right? So the first letter of my channel name Asian, that's why it's showing here A. So you can click it here and you can see, but you should know that till now we didn't started a channel. It's just an YouTube account only, which means from this account you can watch people's videos and you can add comments, you can like their videos, something like that. Okay, but till now it's not a I mean it's not a channel. Okay, still it's just an account only. So now we are going to create a channel, so you can click here create a channel. So you will receive a message from YouTube team, your creator journey begins, something like that. So get started. uh, Choose how to create your channel, use your name, use a custom name. So I prefer to choose the same name. If you want a different name for your YouTube channel, you can create it from the second option. But I'm going to choose the first one because I need my channel name the same. So select. Okay. Then it will ask here to provide a profile picture. Here this is what you need to provide. So I'm going to just add one of my photo here. So click it here, then here you can see some of my pictures, so maybe you can add them. Let me choose a better photo, so I prefer to choose this one, then open. So I am here now. Then if you want to replace, again click here and you can go and select a different photo from your computer, and then tell viewers about your channel. So here in the channel description you can provide something about your channel. Your channel is about what? It's a technical channel or cooking channel or travel videos. So what you're going to add mostly, so you can just provide the details here. Okay, so right moment I'm just going to skip it. Okay, or I'm just going to show you something simply. Take track travel food. Okay, it's just a sample only, but I will not say that you should follow the same. You can add more details about your channel. Your channel is what about, and what are you going to share with people, and what's the motive of why did you start this channel. So these things you can provide here. Okay, and then we will go to, maybe you can add your other social sites links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Maybe you can add it over there. Just add profile name, Twitter profile name, Instagram profile name. Simply you can do that here. Okay, and if you have any official websites you can add it here, and the URL of your website here. Okay, so this is how it's going to be, and then save and continue. I'm sorry, here it is a rainy day, so the network is little bit slow. That's why it's getting delay. So now this is my channel. This is the official channel. Okay. Now I can add videos. You can see upload a video to get started. So I can upload some videos here, and I will get videos, all my videos. After I posted my videos, I can see videos day by day here, and then playlist. I can create playlist. I already, I was mentioned there, right? My channel is going to be about tech, travel, food. So if I made a tech videos or tip videos, I can create a playlist tips or something like that. Then I can add all my tips videos on that. And also if I made any cooking videos, then I can create a playlist name. It's cooking videos. Then I can add all my cooking videos to the channel, to the playlist. And then also if I made any travel videos, I can post them into the travel video playlist. So it's like the folder. When we create a folder in in our computer, same like playlist is similar to that. We can create playlist, then we can add our videos into that. Okay, it's something like that. So now I don't have any videos, that's why I'm not able to create a playlist here. And then channels means if you have one more channel, you can add them to here. So that one you will know after you create the first channel, after you put more videos, then later you can do it. Okay, and then discussion. it's about your comments and the things you will see here. Then about this one, when you join to YouTube. So just today I joined, so we can see the date here, joined August 9, 2020, and description take travel food like this. If you add more on your description, that full of them will be showing over here. So when a new visitors come to your channel, they can see that here, because some people, when they visit a new channel, they will check these things. So you have to be provide clear information about your channel here. Okay, so that's it, guys. And one more thing I am going to show you. You can click right side on the top here, your channel. Here in this part, you can provide a cover photo. It's called channel art. I'm going to show you how to add that. So for that, you need to provide customized channel. You can click that, then it will show something like this. Then you can provide channel art. So how to create a channel art, that one I have a video I already made, that I am going to provide the link on the below, that you can check later on the description. Then you can check there how to create channel art. Now I'm going to show you how to add it here. So for that, add channel art. Select a photo from your computer. So I was already made my channel art, so that one. It's just a sample only. When you add it, it will show how it's going to be showing on laptop, how it's going to be showing on a TV, and how it's going to be showing on a mobile. So it will show like this. Okay, then you can click the select button, so it will be saving. Now see, actually this is my official channel's channel art, but I just added here. I just want to show you, that's why. So as I said, I will be provide the link of how to create channel art, which is this thing. So you can check on the description box, then you can follow the steps. So I already explained on my one of my video, start to end process, so you can check that and you can do that. So now profile picture is ready, channel art is ready. The next step is we need to add some videos. So for that, we need to create a video, right? So now I am going to tell you how to create videos. So there are few things I have to tell you. First one, when you start a YouTube channel, you should have a clear aim or clear I mean, you should know well why did you start a YouTube channel. So you should have a clear idea about that. So for example, what kind of video you have to make, travel videos or cooking videos, or maybe same like what I am doing now, tutorial videos. This is also possible. If you don't like to show your face, or you just wanted to show, you just wanted to provide only your voice, you have to make videos through only your voice over only, then you can make tutorial videos. It's fine, because many people have different mentality, right? All people has different mentalities. So some people would like to show their faces on the front of camera and front of public, but some of people don't like to show their face. So that's why some people going to some people making videos like tutorial videos like what I'm doing now, just voiceover only. And also some people will do videos, cooking videos. Those people also, some people like to show their face also when they are cooking, but some people do not like to show their face, so they will just show what they are doing and what they are cooking. Just maybe they will show their hands only. So it's up to you guys. So you should have a clear idea what you have to do and what is your expectation about this, and these things you have to decide yourself how you want to create your YouTube channel. So for me, for myself, if you check my channel, you will see I'm not shy to face camera. I'm always make my videos with my face, and also sometimes I am doing my voiceover videos as well. So for me it's fine. So I don't know about all people's, because many people has different mentality. That's why. So you should have a clear idea about this. Okay, then after that only you have to create videos like that. If you guys want to make videos like this, then you can make a you can download and install this kind of this it's called Bandicam, or there is another software called PowerSoft. It's a screen recorder applications, this one and the Bandicam. So you can use these kind of softwares and you can screen record, and also you can speak like through voiceover. And the another way is that I'm going to show you now. On my folders there are, I already shooted some videos. So see, these videos I made through my GoPro camera, so maybe it's a kind of travel videos. So I will open one of my video here. So this video I shooted on my GoPro camera. So you can also follow the same thing if you want. You can just shoot videos on your mobile phones or cameras, any kind of cameras. Then you need to edit this video. This is just footage only, directly from the camera. Okay, and these videos you have to edit, because in this video you can see there are cloudy, there are some dark parts, and my face also not clear as well, right? And it's not nice if you look. So you need to change some things here. You can do few things. You can do few changes on this, you can adjust the brightness and maybe colors, something like that. So for that you need to do some edit. So that for that you need to use some other softwares for editing your videos. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you one of the application which is I'm using. So I'm using Filmora 9. So it's called Wondershare Filmora 9. So I'm going to just opening this. So now I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. So I'm not using only this application only, actually. Sometimes I edit videos on my mobile phone as well. I have few softwares out there which is called KineMaster and UCut video editor. Maybe I can show you here. Wait, go to Google. KineMaster. So this is KineMaster application. It will be look like the same in this photo. So maybe you can download it from your Play Store, Google Play Store, and you can install it on your phone and you can use it as well. And also I'm using this application for mobile phone. When I am editing videos on my mobile phone, I am using this software. And also there is another software which is called the UCut video editor. These two softwares for me, I felt is very simple, very easy to make videos. So for UCut, this is the window. the interface will be like this. So you can download and install this also from your Play Store. Okay, so you can edit videos like this. One of the best app that for me, for myself, I felt it's a good application to edit videos on mobile phones. You see, you can trim, you can add music, you can add filters, you can add effects, text, stickers, you can add many kind of audio files, so many things you can do. You can also you can do voiceover, screen record, many things you can do use this application. So now I am going to show you what is Filmora 9, which is I am mostly using. Okay, so this is Filmora, the first window. Then when you for enter to this application, you need to provide new project, double click, then it will be like this. Okay, here you can add your videos. So for that you need to click this plus, then you need to go to your computer and you can bring your videos here. So simply I have few videos on my computer, so I'm going to add this. So for example, this video I am going to open here. Then you need to drag and put it over this track. Then they will ask you questions in which resolution you want, that is 2704 and 1920 by 1080. So mostly I use this one, second one. That's fine. If you want very high quality, you can use that first option. So we already bring the video here, right? Then we can play it over here. Yeah, so if you want cut something on your videos, click this, and you can use the space button to play and pause as well. Also you can use this here as well, then you can pause, right? Then you can move these things to adjust. So I just adjust here because I don't want from the beginning, so I just used to move a bit here, right? A bit here, a bit here, a bit here. So this is the starting. Then I can click it here and select the split button. So now the video is separated. Then I don't need this first part. Then I can click this and click the delete button on your keypad. Okay, then you can play. Now you will see I already deleted some parts. Also from the end also, if you want, you need to delete some part, you can click it here and select the split button, select and delete. That's it. Okay, and now I am going to show you how to change the brightness, contrast and colors. For that you need to click this option. This is called edit. Then you need to go to the audio section. You can adjust the volume of the video here. You can see it will be changing over there. If you put it down, it will be down. When you play, the voice will be less, right? So if you want to increase the volume, you can press it and put it all over there. So now you check. So this is the different, and this is very useful to edit the videos. Then if you want to remove the background noise, you can use this one. It will be not going to remove all the noises, but a percentage of noise can be reduced through this. So you can click this remove background noise. Then if you play, you will feel the difference maybe. Yeah, then also this is from the weak mode. Then you can make it mid. When you make it mid, you will see some more difference. And the same, there is another option is called strong. So when you put it on the strong mode, then if you play it, see, this is the difference. Okay, so then I am going to show you how to change the color. So you have to go to the color option. Then there are few modes, you see, you can change them like this. Then you can adjust temperature, you can reduce, you can increase. So this is how we adjust. Okay, this thing depends on the video background. When I shoot this video, it was a rainy season, that's why there is cloudy and dark background. So it's up to you guys. So after you edit more than 5 to 10 videos, you will learn it well. For me, it was like that. In the beginning, I also were not much perfect on this, but later I edit few more videos. I become expert. Expert means not completely, but at least I can know how many percent I can provide each on the settings, from the settings, these things, how many percent I need to provide, how many points I have to add. I will learn it. So that's going to be helpful to everyone. Then motion, I never tried this one. That's it. So this is how you can adjust. If you want, you can add more from these things. Okay, it's up to you. If you want more saturation, you can add that. If you want more brightness, you can add that. But you see, when you add more brightness, there is changes. So that's why I don't prefer to add that more. So that's it, guys. Then you can click OK button. Then if you want add any music for the background, you can provide that. So go to your computer. For me, I have already some music over there, so I just select this music and drag this to the media page. This is media. So if you are here or here, if you drag, it will not come here. So you have to make sure it's already in the media button, so then only it will come here. Okay, so make sure it's here. Then you can drag and put the music here. Then you can drag and add the music here like this. Then now my video is length till here only. If your video is more than this, then you can add till there, and also you can add more videos here as well. Okay, for example, now I'm going to add one more video from here. So drag to here, add the video here. Okay, simply this here. Now this video also you can change, so you just need to click here and check the settings. Then you will see how many points you add. Better make round figure all the points, so that will help you. Then not these points, then you can provide the same points over here. So for example, here I provide 15.45, so here you can do the same 15 and 0.45. Same thing, you can provide all the things here. There also the volume, even the same. Audio 3.93, right? So you can make it 4. Same thing you can do here. Click this here and make it 4. Enter. So the volume level for both videos, it's same. Then down there is music. So you have to think. So you have to make sure these things. You have to be very careful. The music volume, the background music volume should be less than the main volume, which is from the video. So video volume and the audio volume will be different. Okay, don't keep the same volume from the music. I will just play. Now you see the background music is higher, right? So no need this much. So for that you need to click the music, go to the settings, then you can reduce like this. So make it light music. So maybe you can put it -10, something like that. Then now you play it. See the difference on the music? So this is how, guys, we should have a clear idea about the videos, and when we editing a video we should have a clear idea. My video should be like this, like that, like this, something. Okay, now next thing is, now I almost completed my editing. So now I'm going to stop till here, because this is just a demo video only, so I don't want to make it more. So I'm going to cut from here, because the music length is big, video length is still here only. So I need to stop my audio still here. So just stop here and delete this rest of the music content. There, now see, it's still here only. So my video length, background audio length, both are on the same line, right? Yeah. So this is how we are doing this. And when you edit your videos, you have to provide few things. You need to provide your watermark on the videos. Otherwise some people can steal your videos and they will upload your videos to their channel. So to avoid that, you need to provide watermark on your videos. So now I am going to show you how to add watermark. So here there is an option called title. Okay, so I mostly use the subtitle, third one. Click and add it over there. Then you can click this and select till the end. You know why? I will show you that. There, when you click it here, there will be two different steps, but you can remove one. So click, double click, select all, select backspace from the keyboard, then click OK. So one of them is cut. The first one, click, double click, then you need to write your channel name, Asian Blogger. Okay, this is a sample only. Then keep it on the top right side or left side or middle of your video, from the left or right side, middle. So this is up to you, as you wish you can do it. Then here you can select the font style. I mostly use this one. Okay, then if you need adjust the size of this, you can adjust something like this. So I mostly use 24. Then you can make it. If you need to change the color, you can change the color here. And also if you need any spaces between the letters, you can do that here. And also rotate, you can do scale, many things you can do here. And the main thing I mostly do, opacity, it can be reduced because no need to highlight that much. So I mostly prefer 35% only. So this one very important. Okay, otherwise some people can steal your videos, guys. So don't let them do that. So we can keep a watermark. And the thing is, if you keep the watermark on the top, maybe they can crop the video like this, then they will use still. But if you keep on the middle, it won't be happen. Okay, so when you play this video, the watermark will be from the start to end. I will show you that. That's why I keep this from start to end here. Now I'm going to play and show you. See, the watermark is there, your channel name is there, right? And one more thing, you can add your logo on your video. I'm going to show you how's that. So for that, you need to select the media first, because we are going to drag that and put it over there. So I'm going to my folder, because I have already my logo here. So you can also create something like this. Then click and put it over there. Then you can add it over the top. Then select till the end. Then select here. You can adjust it. You see, maybe you can put it here on the top of your channel name, or you can keep it over here. You can use the up and down key from your keyboard to adjust this, and maybe I think that will be very comfortable for you. And also maybe you can keep your name here and logo here. Otherwise you can keep your name here, then logo you can keep the middle of this. Then it will be look like a TV channel, right? So it's an option, you can choose any. So like this. Now I'm going to play again and you will see the difference. Okay, this is very simple. So and the end, maybe you can add the subscription animation. So I have already one here. This one I already downloaded from the internet, from YouTube. So you can use the same, maybe use it, drag and put it there, and you can drag and put it over here after the video. So once completely played your video, it will show out there. I will show you how it is. You know why we provide this? Because people can feel to subscribe, like and press the bell icon for your channel. So we should provide this. Okay, so I hope you guys you understand. If you have any more doubts, you can put comments and you can ask me any doubts. I will be provide clear informations. Okay, so after done this all, next step is you need to save your video. So for that, click the export button, then select a name. So the format should be MP4, then name of the video. For example, now this is a travel video, right? So travel video Maldives episode 1 or something like this. Then save to, where you want to save this video, click here. Then you can choose the location of the area. Then this one is resolution. You can click here and you can choose the resolution here, which resolution you want. Then click OK. After that, you need to click the export button. So then it will be export and save to your computer. If it is a long video, it will show the time remaining here. This is a very small video, that's why it's showing just 2 minutes only. But if it is like 30 minutes or something, a big length video, it will show you more time, like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes more than that. It depends on the video length and video quality. If you are rendering out on high quality, then it will take more time. So that will show here on the time remaining. Then in that case, if you are putting this on night time, then you can click sound remainder here. After done this, maybe you can click shut down computer or something like that. Then it will be easy for you, which means if you are add this on the night time, then you can click shut down computer. Then after done this thing, which means after save this to your computer, the computer will be automatically shut down. So that's gonna be helpful to you. So this is how, guys, we are doing. Okay, so guys, after completed this I mean after complete the exporting, there will be a message like this something. So it will show done. So when done, so after that you can click find target. So in the find target you will see your videos here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. I already introduced you how to edit videos on Filmora 9 software, right? So now I am going to show you how to install Filmora 9 software. Okay, so for that, I'm sorry, my internet lost. So just a moment. You can go to your Google Chrome, then open new tab, then you need to go to Google, then right here Filmora 9 download. So there will be a website for that, then click it. So this is the official site of Filmora 9. So you can download it from here. So there will be option for Mac version and Windows version. So you can select which is you want. So this is for Windows. So click the free download, and from here you can download Filmora 9. Okay, then you can install it in your computer. Actually, I was done one more video before about Filmora 9 and how to edit videos on Filmora. So I will be providing that video on my description link. So from there you can watch how to download, how to install, how to make videos on that, how to create videos on that. So the full length video I already made before. So I'm going to provide the video link on the description box, so you can check it out there. Okay, so we already edit and done the videos through Filmora 9, right? So the video is here now. Now we are going to upload the videos in our YouTube channel. So for that, go to your YouTube channel. So this is your YouTube channel, right? Then right side on the top you can see there is a plus symbol, right, with the video icon. So click it here, upload video. Then from here you can click select file, then you can go to download. Where is the exact location? Because I was saved my Filmora 9 edited videos to the download folder, so that's why it's here. So you can select open, then it will be coming over there. Then it will show travel video Maldives episode 1, the same one, same title which I provide. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. If you want to add more details, you can add it over there. And the description box, first of all you need to provide some hashtags. It's a travel video, right? So you can provide a travel video, next hashtag travel vlog, next hashtag Maldives, something like this. You can provide, then click enter, then you can provide the details about this video. Hi guys, I uploaded new video, and this video about Maldives, and when I visited Maldives and I made this video, and in this video I am introducing you about this thing, that thing, something like this. Also you can provide, I was visited on these places in Maldives. On this video you can see that, and this is the location, something like that. About this video, I mean, which you uploaded, so you can provide the whole details about the video. You can provide on the description box. Okay, and the next thing is you need to provide a thumbnail. So now I am going to show you how to create a thumbnail. So for that I'm using Photoshop. So go to Photoshop. So during that period your video will be uploading here, because we need to complete the process to 100% here. So in that moment we can go to the Photoshop and we can create a thumbnail here. Okay, so for thumbnail, to create a thumbnail, better is go to Google, search a YouTube thumbnail size image. You can check it over there. Then is showing 1280 into 720. So go here, file, new, click this to pixel, then add the same 1280, this one 720. Resolution maybe you can add to 100 or something like that, then okay. So now this is the thumbnail size. Okay, then you need to edit. So for that also you can do search YouTube thumbnail background. So I just going to show you something very simply. So for that, for example, I just choose this one. Okay, save image as, save. Then from here I go here and copy this to the Photoshop folder. Then you can drag and put it out there, and you can click this here, and you can select Ctrl T to adjust. You can adjust something like this, enter. So after that, if you want, you can add your photo here. It's just a sample only, right? So I'm just going to show you something like this. So when you made your thumbnail, you can make related to something related to your video. This is just a example only. Okay, I hope you understand. Then just provide from here strong or something, then put it inside white color. Okay, so something like this. Then you can add your text here. something like this. If you want, you need to change. If you want to change your font style, you can change it from here, something like this. Okay, then you can, if you want, you can add some stroke or something like this. Okay, so guys, this is what we are doing this. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. Then file, save as, click JPG. JPG is the image format. Then I used to save it over there, any name. Okay, so now the thumbnail is ready. Okay, then go back to your channel. Now the video is 100% completed, finished processing, right? So after that, there will be a default thumbnail will be selected by YouTube, but we don't need this. We need to provide our own. So for that, there will be a procedure. So you need to click the learn more, because this is your first video on your YouTube channel. So in the beginning, for the first video only, you need to do this. Click this. So it will be asking you to verify your account. So for that, you need to click this here. Then you need to provide your mobile number. So you have already provided, right? So country, and call me with the automatic voice message, or text me the verification code. So text. So then you need to provide your mobile number here. So I just wanted to provide. So once you've done this, you will receive a code on your mobile phone. So that code you have to provide there. Okay, now I receive the code is 903 104. Then you submit this. So congratulations, YouTube account is now verified. Okay, so now you can click this here. Okay, so next step is you have to select this video is made for kids or not. So this video I made it's not for kids, so no, it's not made for kids. Then you have to select few options here, like you can provide some tags. So it's gonna help you to recommend your videos to some places. So maybe you can add Maldives, then click this, then Maldives vlog, then comma, then travel blog. So kind of this you can provide. Then you can provide maybe the location of the video. Maybe you can provide Maldives or your country or whatever you want. Then click next. Next, keep it private for now. Don't make it public in the beginning. First you have to provide the thumbnail and everything. After that only you need to provide public option. Okay, I hope you understand. Then make it save. Also you can provide schedule. If you want to schedule this video to a particular time, like tomorrow 12 p.m. or tomorrow 5 p.m., you can set this here. then make it save. Now the video is here and it's private mode, nobody can see except you. Then click this pencil button which is details. Then now you can click here. Okay, now click this one. It's showing here verified, right? So now it will be showing you what are the things are enabled for you. You can upload, enable, monetization eligible, live stream eligible, many things we got eligible. So after that, return to YouTube Studio. Then now I hope that I can change the thumbnail now. So go to this one, details. So here now this enabled, right? So click the upload thumbnail, then go to desktop. I was saved my thumbnail on the desktop. Just click here and open. Now you see the thumbnail is perfectly fit and it's here now. So this is how we do this, guys. Then after that, maybe you can make it to public. If you add this video to public mode, then it will be coming on the YouTube. So click public, done, save. Now it's done. Now your videos on the YouTube on live, so anybody can watch from anywhere. Okay, now you can view on YouTube. See, now your video on YouTube. So this is how, guys. Now the clarity is not good because of it's on 240 pixel. So if you want to see HD, make it 720. And one more thing, don't watch your videos from your own channel, watch from different channels. Okay, watch from different ID, or you can use your family members mobile phones or their YouTube channels to watch your videos. Don't watch your own video from your own channel. Then now the resolution and the quality is changed. Now you can play. You see the quality is different now, right? So that's it. So this is how upload videos to YouTube. So now you can go to your channel, videos. Now you can see the video here. Also, if you want to create playlist, it's very simple. Now click here, save to playlist, create new playlist, make it name travel videos, public, create. Now if you go to playlist, you will see there is a playlist which is called travel videos. Same thing, maybe later you are going to upload cooking videos or tips or tech videos. You can create the playlist like that, text, cooking videos, something like that. Okay, this is what we need to do, guys. And now the final step, how to become famous on YouTube. Now we know how to create YouTube channel, how to edit videos, how to create thumbnail, how to upload videos to the YouTube, and the final one, how to get famous on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to tell you guys now. So for that, you need to go to your Chrome and use Facebook. That's it. That's the main market. Okay, I will show you something now. I have already a Facebook page. I told you I have created this channel only for you. I just wanted to show you new people to come to YouTube. That's why I just show this video how to create YouTube channel, these things, blah blah blah. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I have a Facebook page which is called Asian Vlogger Rijaz Khan. This is my official Facebook page. So you have to create a Facebook page like this. Then the same video which is you already uploaded on your YouTube, you can upload same here. Okay, so this is how you can get famous. I mean, more people will watch your videos. And you see, I already added my videos here. Then once you uploaded your full videos to your Facebook page, you can share it from here, so many people can watch. Also, you can join to many groups. For example, I will show you Mexico. Then go to the groups. Then you will see there will be so many groups related to Mexico. So you need to join them. Then you can share all your videos to those groups, because you see in this group 320 posts a day, which means so many members are on the group. So your post can be get more reach. So same thing here, 1.8 posts a day. So per day 1.8k posts are on the group, which means so many members are over there. So you can post there, you can get famous. Same thing you can do India groups. You will see so many groups there. Join to them. I am doing the same. That's why you can see I already joined many groups, so I am already posting my and sharing my videos to those groups. That's why I have getting few views from there. So this is how you can get famous. Same thing you can do it on Instagram, Twitter, or any other social sites. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something from this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Give me your feedback, tell me your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.